Hi, my name is Ricky.
My name is Brandon, and welcome to our Lives Unscripted. Hello everyone, we're just packed up and we're getting ready to leave our campsite here. We had a good night's stay, we had a nice campfire, some nice potatoes, and so now we're gonna leave the national forest, the Lolo National Forest, and we're gonna head to Helena. And there's apparently supposed to be a winter storm warning tomorrow, or watch 3 to 7 inches of snow, which we aren't looking forward to. But we're just gonna make it there and see what happens. Now let's back this baby up. We just stopped at a rest stop here on our way to Helena, intersection of Highway 83 and 200. And yeah, we just stopped to use the facilities and check out this really pretty view. It's like raining and sunny, and it's really pretty with all the yellow grass and everything around. So yeah, if you're driving through here, make sure you stop and check out the view. Change of plans.
Yes, change of plans. So we made it to Helena.
This is the view.
Rain, rain, rain. But it's gonna start actually snowing like tomorrow morning at 3 a.m.
Yeah, there's a winter storm warning for, what did I say? How many inches?
8 to 10 or something?
Or 5 to 10 or something?
I don't know, it's a lot though. And it's kind of hilly and like mountainous here, so we're gonna try to get out of here and go to Bozeman.
Where there isn't currently a storm warning.
Yeah, that's the current plan.
We made it to Bozeman. It's sunny outside, there's no rain yet, no snow, and we're gonna go eat some Chipotle.
At our favorite, or one of our favorite fast food places.
There's not really many vegan options for fast food, so Chipotle has stuff you can eat, which is good. And I like Mexican food, I guess American Mexican food.
And it's delicious. Cooking some tofu wieners.
At the kitty table.
We got some ketchup.
Like I care.
I think everybody cares. Ketchup is best.
I mean.
Ketchup for the win. We woke up this morning, and what do we find?
A snow scraper, ice scraper. Our van was covered in snow, and I guess this is better than 6 to 8 inches of snow. So, but we didn't bring an ice scraper with us because we didn't think we were gonna be in the snow. So I had to get an ice scraper to be able to clean off the windows and stuff, because we're gonna be here for like another
2.5 weeks.
Like another month in this cold weather. So yeah, so had to go buy an ice scraper. Name the snowman in the comments below.
Okay everybody, today we are going to Hyalite Reservoir. We're going to go on a few trails over there. I think there's one that's like 11 miles long. It has like a few waterfalls and stuff. I don't know how far we're going to get. But we're also probably going to go to the reservoir too, and then we're going to see if we can do some dispersed camping. Sounds good?
Yep. Sounds good to me. Let's get going.
Race car driver. Well, tell everyone where we are. Hyalite Canyon.
Oh yeah.
You really got to read the sign?
Yeah, I have to read the sign.
Yeah, this is like one of the really popular spots thousands of people come here a month. And behind me, over here, that provides the drinking water for Bozeman. And we'll show you around. Rough road ahead.
Oh my gosh. Oh, oh.
Oh my god, our good hands are
I was right past the bridge and there's like holes that were like this deep. Oh my gosh, I don't know how cars get through this.
I keep saying it's gonna get better and then it gets worse.
Which one are we gonna do?
We could either do Palisade Falls, which is apparently really good, and then there's also the upper Hyalite trailhead, which is really good.
Also, I don't know. We might have to turn around if it stays worse.
We made it.
To Grotto Falls Trailhead.
Yes, and that one is not very far down the trail, but if you want to keep going, you can get to like the peak of the mountain.
Which is at like 10,000 feet.
Yeah, it's like very far.
Apparently 11 miles.
I think a lot of people like mountain bike this trail, so it's like not as far.
Maybe.
And we're at the Custer Gallatin National Forest. And we're gonna show you the trail.
So when you're hiking on this Hyalite trail, be on the lookout for like little side trails, like this one here. So there's little like side trails that branch off. And on this side trail we saw some cool, like kind of little waterfall with a bunch of logs in there. And it was really pretty. I got a couple photos, maybe we'll put them in the video, maybe not. But yeah, make sure you check out the little side trails when you're hiking along the trail because there's lots of cool things to see along the way.
Brandon, I can do the balance beam. Nailed it!
Come to our first official falls sign.
Arch Falls, that away.
Alright, let's go.
I just found out why they call it Arch Falls. The water goes under an arch.
So I think we're gonna turn around and head back down just so we can find a campsite before it gets dark. We want to make some dinner and set up, maybe build a fire or something. So we hiked for an hour and a half up the trail and we're only like halfway to the peak. We're not even. There's no chance of us getting that far. You probably need, I don't know, maybe like a whole day if you want to go to the peak. We started at 2 o'clock, so we're not gonna get that far. So yeah, we've been hiking for like an hour and a half now. We're gonna turn around and head back and go try to find a dispersed camping site. What?
We are headed to Grotto Falls.
So this is a trail on the way back. We turned around, but we think it loops around.
I'm pretty sure it loops around.
She's sure it loops around. We might be taking a half-mile detour.
I looked at the map. I'm the map time person.
Oh man, this is scary. You know how map time is. Go to Grotto Falls because it's really pretty and it seems like the main stop on the trail here. We were hiking on the other trail for a long time and this is just like a short hike from the trailhead. So Ricky cooked us a lovely dish of noodles and rice and quinoa with some vegetable broth. We're still in the National Forest. We found a campsite. Other people are in there, but we're just going to park in the parking lot. Well, I don't know if it's a parking lot. It's just like a little dirt pullout. So we're going to just we're going to sleep here tonight. Probably just play some board games and go to bed.
And continue to dip your bagel.
Dip away. Comment below if you like dipping bagels or bread in your soup. Mmm, delicious.
woke up and what did we find?
Snow. Like, I think probably 2 to 3 inches of snow. I tried to clean off the solar panels today, but they were like iced over, and I tried scraping them, but I couldn't even get it all off. So we're gonna have to let the sun melt the snow on the solar panels. Yeah, it's really pretty here in the...
Yeah, I really like the snow. It looks really nice.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. It's a little cold, and we're gonna probably not go on a hike today.
And also, we are gonna have to go down this road in the snow, so we'll have to see.
I know, and I'm a little nervous now because we're not gonna be able to see the potholes because they're gonna be buried.
But yeah, the snow is like super pretty. It's like awesome. I just love snow.
All right, let's get going.
We were here yesterday at the Hyalite Reservoir, and now look what it looks like.
Yeah, it's super pretty right now, and we're just gonna go and take some photos.
Thumbs up for the snow.